Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all saved posts on Facebook. So go ahead and open Facebook. Once open, you want to tap on the three horizontal line or your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see the settings gear icon. Tap on this and then allow this to load. Scroll all the way to the bottom where you can see activity log. Tap on activity log, and under your Facebook activity, tap on the drop down, scroll down a little and you see saved items and collection. Tap on this to expand and you see your saved items. Tap on this and this will list all your saved posts on Facebook. Here you can easily just tap on the check mark box for all and then tap on remove. Tap on remove and all your Facebook saved posts will be deleted. So thank you for watching this video on how to delete all saved posts on Facebook, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have its post notification turned on.